So as you can see, we're sitting a bit apart because there's a bit of a disagreement.
Why is there a disagreement?
Get off. Have respect for the people. Get off.
Why is the color so vibrant? It's 90 years old. If I'm 90 years old, I better be this vibrant.
We'll be living up the good life, good life. Yeah, we'll be living up the good life, life.
Yo, what's up? This is Sheikh Haikal.
This is Annabelle Francis.
And this is Build It My Way.
Sleeping outside.
What's up, one and all? Welcome to Build It
My way.
This episode, we're going to start with a Bamco.
Yes.
Bamco.
Bamco. I like how you said that.
Yeah.
Bamco. Because they bam and slam your floors with so much love.
We really love this flooring. It really suits our lifestyle. It's eco-friendly, really easy to put on. I could just go on and on about Bamco, but check this one out and you'll know more about it.
Hi, Cole. This is Bamco.
Welcome to Bamco, guys.
Yay! You know, Haikal and I, we've been searching for products that, not only looks good, works well in the house, but it's also sustainable living. So living the right way is exactly why we chose Bamco for our flooring.
Behind us, as you can see, this is the Bamco Rainbow.
So this one is the woody tones, right?
That's
Quite
new.
earthy, yes.
That's new.
I like
This is
it.
brand new.
This one.
It's ours.
So to share with you a little bit about Bamco and why we love it so much, because it's the first in the world using bamboo charcoal, okay?
And the wife nags less because it's easy to clean. You can either just use a cloth and wipe it up, or just a simple mop, sap, and it's clean.
Called upon Bamco, and they explained to us, how to choose, why are we choosing that color that we're choosing. And it's also simple because there's no hacking involved. It was so great. I was thinking like, oh my gosh, the whole house flooring is going to be such a difficult process. But there was no hacking involved because it's a click system. So it's very simple. It comes in panels, and then they measured it and they installed it in just 1 day.
Yes.
1 day. So whatever flooring that you have, they will make sure that it's all good for them to lay over the tiles, and they just click it. We've had a lot of flooring, right, in our 23 years of marriage together and building homes together.
She got it right.
But I cook a lot, right? And when I cook, somehow the flooring for Bamco does not smell so bad after a while. You know what I mean? So we don't have pets, but I'm sure, and I've heard, for our friends who use Bamco too, right, that they have pets and does not have that, smell of pets.
Honestly, to tell you, for me, how it makes the feet feel, because it's something that you have to use all the time. I've used parquet before. I've tried vinyl before. Please.
Not bringing these materials
We're not bringing them down, but Bamco is comfortable on the feet.
Yes.
This is the first charcoal flooring in the world.
No. And Bamco has so much good properties
Of
for
course.
us. And the best part about this, it's a great Singapore product. It also gives you 5-year warranty. So if there's anything wrong, you can go back to the people from Bamco and they will sort you out.
Yes. So remember that, Bamco. Come have a look, guys. We're honestly telling you, no regrets.
Yes.
Bamco.
Yes. I know it can be a bit overwhelming because you don't know which kind of flooring you would want, whether it's tiles, whether it's vinyl, whether it's marble, whether it's parquet. I guess the most important thing is to see what suits your family and your lifestyle. For us, we want something that's easy to clean, it's scratch-proof, it's water-resistant, because our family is constantly very active in our house. So that's why we chose Bamco.
But at the same time, we want it to look good and feel good.
Yes.
So Bamco goes that way. Once again, thank you.
In the world.
Yes.
I love that. Thinking about how things feel under our feet, we love our Hassan Carpets.
Yeah, man, like you guys know, this one is a family business, generation after generation, so you can trust them. Really nice people.
Yeah, do you remember how we walked in and everybody was just drinking tea? It really feels like I've stepped into another world in there, and this is how it went down. Check it out. I don't know why, but carpets make me feel like flying carpets,
Yes.
Princess Jasmine.
Yes.
So that makes me Aladdin.
But if I was on a flying carpet, I don't think you'll fly very high. Huh?
Oh, baby, it's okay. Just buy me the right carpet. We're fine.
Yep. But if
I'll
there's
be
any,
fine.
but if there's
I'll
any
be
carpet,
fine.
any carpet shop to visit,
Yes.
if there's any carpet that will be able to take my weight, or any carpet that will be able to make me look like Aladdin, it'll be right here.
Right here. And where are we? We're at
Hassan's Carpets.
We're gonna find out a little bit more about their story, okay? So let's meet them.
Hi, welcome.
Hi, this is Dania.
Hi, Tanya, nice to meet you.
Hello, sister. Hi. Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you. And this is Mr. Sulaiman.
Hello, sir. Nice to meet you, sir. How many carpets do you have in-house right now?
Several thousand.
And most of your carpets, I know that they're from all around the world.
Most of them are from Central Asia. Iran is the cradle of the industry. We have a lot of Iranian rugs. Then we have a lot of Afghan rugs, some Turkish. Then we have Pakistanis and Indian carpets.
Is it like a very distinct style for each country?
You can distinguish a carpet of its origin by the way it's knotted,
Yes.
the way it's finished, and the way the colors have been used. So designs can be borrowed, but the finishing and the materials will vary a little.
Some countries are known for certain colors, right?
Those are the Persian carpets or the older print carpet, the modern carpets.
Yeah, that's where we go to the next generation.
The modern carpets.
I would say majority of production for modern carpets happens in India. So usually for hand knotted, we use also very natural and sustainable materials. So like wool, silk, pure silk,
Wait a
artificial
minute,
silk.
Did you say silk?
Yeah.
Under your feet?
Yeah.
That is decadence.
How true is this? I've been told that the longer you use a carpet, the more you step on it, the more your oils from your body touches the carpet, the more vibrant it becomes.
But that depends on the quality of the material. If good wool is being used, which has got a lot of oil in it, so when you use it, the food polishes the oil, the patina of the colors become more beautiful, and it glows,
There you go.
right?
If you're an oily person, your carpet will shine. Now, I'm very excited to see your carpets. Can I just be very naughty and ask you, can you please show me your most expensive carpet? The kind that I have to sell my family, put myself up for sale.
You mean you would sell us?
Yeah, or
You would
maybe-
sell us for a carpet?
If you want to see that, I think you have to pay me a fee. This is a very classical piece.
Hey, this is beautiful, guys.
My goodness. Wait a minute.
Bell, it's
From
different,
here,
Bell.
it's so light.
Yeah.
And every handmade carpet usually would have this kind of effect.
This is like magic, man.
Yeah.
You go there, it's lighter. You come here, it's darker.
Oh my goodness.
It's two carpets in one.
Bell, this is so nice, B. It's so beautiful, B.
So you see these colors here are done in such a way it gives you a vintage look. But actually it's very new.
Because I know the people watching now, right, are asking like, very nice, very nice. Now this is the question, right? How much?
In our collection,
Yes.
all the pieces on the back, on the tag, there are prices on that.
If you like me more, I get a bigger discount, right?
Maybe. If you
I love
treat me
you.
well, if you treat me well, I might give you a better price.
Where is this corner that I can turn and look at the price? Is this corner?
It's one of the four corners.
Okay,
It's one of the
this is the four corners.
There you go.
There you go.
Nice.
Nice.
We're gonna back away from it. We're gonna back away from it. And I'm so glad we shared with you this beautiful carpet. But we'll just be dreaming about it tonight.
Get off. Have respect for the people. Get off.
It's beautiful. It's definitely worth the investment.
Yes.
Because carpets can last almost forever.
No, it's not the corner.
He's looking for the corner. I don't think 90-year-old carpets, they will put the price on the corner.
Correct.
Correct.
What is wrong with you, child?
Girl, it's so soft there.
Oh my goodness.
It's soft there.
Wow. Why is the color so vibrant? It's 90 years old. If I'm 90 years old, I better be this vibrant.
I really like this one. Caught my eye when I come in.
It does suit you. That there's such a like vibe.
And this carpet is 100 years old.
Yes.
No.
The dyes that they use in back then is the best dye.
I love carpets so much.
Yes, yes. And check this out, guys.
Yep.
You can even customize bespoke customization where you can choose your colors and you can choose a design.
They do this for most of the collection,
Yeah.
but more so for the modern contemporary pieces.
Yes. You can even do like your family logo crest or a picture of your husband, your handsome husband on the carpet, so you try not to step on him when you walk. Yeah, this is a very scary laugh, like he's gonna like backhand me anytime.
Yeah, let's say if you come down here and you cannot make a choice, they could actually bring it to your house, all the 3 pieces, put it onto your floor and see which one suits you best.
But only if you're a serious buyer.
And they can tell.
And not play.
Yeah, we're talking about 4 generations here, so they can tell.
Yes.
So once again, thank you very much, Hassan's Carpet, and thank you very much, everybody, for watching us.
Okay.
And we hope you get your carpets soon.
Yeah. And that's the difference between mass-produced carpets and hand-woven carpet. Right, Heiko?
Yes, you want the best of the best.
Yes.
Oh, when I tell you, you get a really good carpet and you get to step on it and your oils get to mix with it and the carpet grows with you, yes, you know that that's the carpet for you.
Sounds a bit gross, but it is true, okay? We all have clean feet here. And the reason why we chose this carpet is all credit due to Heiko because he gave the house a little bit of a pop.
You know, and it speaks loads, the design.
Thank you very much to both Bamco and Hassan Carpets. You've made our home extra special.
Thank you very much for watching this episode. We're really grateful you guys are following us through this journey of Build It
My way!